You're chopping an onion. Suddenly, your eyes start to burn. Tears stream down your face. You can't stop crying. But here's the strange part. You're not sad. So why does this happen? The answer is fascinating, and it has a name in science you've probably never heard before. Today, we're going to solve this 7,000-year-old mystery and learn 5 powerful English phrases you can use in real conversations. Let's go! Welcome back to Daily Discovery, where we explore the world's most fascinating mysteries and upgrade your English at the same time. I'm Mr. Ben, and today we're going deep into one of life's most common questions. Why do onions make us cry?
Onions have been part of human life for over 7,000 years. The ancient Egyptians considered them sacred. They believed the round shape and circles inside the onion symbolized eternal life. Pharaohs were buried with onions. Yes, real onions, to guide them in the afterlife. Roman gladiators rubbed onions on their muscles before battle. Greek athletes ate them before the Olympics. And today, onions are in the kitchens of nearly every culture on Earth, from Italian pasta to Mexican salsa, from Indian curry to Japanese ramen. But despite 7,000 years of human love for onions, one thing has never changed. They always make us cry.
So here's what's actually happening when you cut an onion. Inside every onion, there are tiny, invisible chemicals. As long as the onion stays whole, those chemicals stay safely separated. But the moment your knife slices through, everything changes. When you cut an onion, the cells break open. Those chemicals mix together instantly. They create a gas with a long scientific name, syn-propanethyl S-oxide. Don't worry about pronouncing it. Just know this. This gas rises up, reaches your eyes, and your eyes have a defense system. They immediately produce tears to wash the irritation away. Here's the most amazing part. This is actually the onion's weapon. It's a defense mechanism. Onions developed this gas thousands of years ago to protect themselves from being eaten by insects and animals. Insects hate this gas. They stay away. But humans? We love onions so much, we just put on our brave face and keep cutting.
Now that you understand the mystery, let's upgrade your English with 5 powerful phrases related to crying and emotions. Save these. Use them today. Number 1. It makes my eyes water. Use this when something physically irritates your eyes. Cutting onions always makes my eyes water. Number 2. I teared up. Use this when you almost cried because of emotion. I teared up watching that movie. Number 3. I burst into tears. Use this for sudden, intense crying. When she got the news, she burst into tears. Number 4. I got choked up. Use this when you're so moved you can barely speak. I got choked up during her wedding speech. Number 5. I cried my eyes out. Use this for long, dramatic crying. I cried my eyes out at the end of that book. 5 phrases, 5 new ways to express emotions in English. Practice them this week. So, next time you're chopping an onion and the tears start flowing, remember, you're not weak, you're not sad, you're just experiencing a 7,000-year-old chemical defense system. And now you know exactly how to talk about it in English. Today's challenge: have you ever cried while cooking? Tell me your story in the comments below. Mr. Ben replies personally to every single one. And if you loved this discovery, hit that subscribe button, because tomorrow we explore another fascinating mystery that will upgrade both your mind and your English. Until then, keep discovering, keep upgrading. This is Mr. Ben. See you in the next lesson.